Hi, I'm Doug Langford with JDL Homes here in Vancouver. I've been asked to talk about the difference between substantially renovating your home or building new. It's a question I get a lot, and there's two or three very important things to factor. The first one is if your home is a large character home and actually larger than what it would be if you could build a new one, then you would want to look at keeping your house, doing a substantial renovation, and having the benefit of that extra square footage. If you don't have an old heritage house or it's a post-war bungalow and you can build a much larger house, then you have to look at the numbers of what it would take to substantially renovate that house as to what it would take to build new. So if you're in a situation where you might spend $500,000 or $600,000 to substantially renovate your house, and it's maybe another $100,000 to $200,000 to build new, then you'd want to take serious consideration at building that new home. The other thing, and one of the most important things to consider, is having a contingency plan. If you're renovating a house, especially a substantial house, and it's old, you should have a 20 to 25% contingency plan. Not so when you're building a new house.